Okay, now we're going to be looking at taking our formula to find this original expression. So we have the formula set out. We need to go ahead and solve it. So we see that we've got sine 20 cosine 10 plus cosine 20 sine 10. You need to take a peek at the sum and difference identities and determine what value it looks like. It looks like we're going to have a 20 and a 10, which means we're working with a 30 degree. But we need to see if it's, sine alpha plus beta, because that's an adding in the middle, or cosine alpha minus beta. If you look, this has sine cosine plus cosine sine, and the only one that matches that is going to be sine of alpha plus beta. That matches this completely, which means we are going to be looking at sine of 30 degrees, and sine of 30 degrees, if you look on your unit circle, is 1/2. And that's it for that one. So that's a little bit more basic. Now you just have to be able to look at the formula and then find what the original expression is and then evaluate it. Okay, so now we've got number 6, which is tangent of pi over 9 plus tangent of 5 pi over 36. So first off, I'm going to see what I'm going to be solving. Pi over 9 and then 5 pi over 36. If I rewrite pi over 9 into something over the 36 power, that's 4 pi over 36. Now I need to go ahead and match it to what tangent formula is this? Is this the sum or the difference identity? If you look at it, you'll see that because of this plus sign right here, you can see it's the sum identity. So that means this is tangent of 4 pi over 36 plus 5 pi over 36, which is tangent of 9 pi over 36, which that is tangent at pi over 4. You look at it, and what do you get? 1. So this one looked very complicated, but once you broke it down, it's very easy. So make sure this makes sense.